in the kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it, and you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon, and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already, and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Guys, I love this. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna be doing some pigs and blanket. Some people call it sausages and bacon wrap. Some people call it pigs and blanket. It's a Christmas thing, guys, and I know you guys will love it. So right here, I'll start my one already so far, but I can even simply give you an idea of what I was doing earlier because I was wrapping so much of them. All you need to do is get these little baby sausages at any local shop or supermarket and simply get the strips of bacon. You can get some smoked bacon and simple wrap it around like this, guys, just for the Christmas tips and the Christmas idea of what's gonna go on for Christmas. But anyway, right here I did start to lay out some of ready, which I did start earlier, and I started to lay it out right there, as you can see. Pigs and blanket, some people call it sausages and bacon, and this is the way it look. You can go to any local shop or supermarket and simple get some of these to buy at any local shop, guys. As you can see, this all I started earlier, and now I'm just finishing it up, guys. Looking really lovely. This is just the idea of a Christmas roast. Right here, this is the way all you're gonna do your Christmas pigs and blanket or sausages and bacon wrap. Some people use smoked sausages, smoked bacon to do this. You can use whatever you like. So as you can see, really nice and beautiful. Take a little time, is a thing we take patient, but you can get there. So as you can see, they're looking so lovely and nice. I just finished these one, and basically what I want to simply say to you, preheat your oven first at gas mark 7 or 6 for 20 to 25 minutes inside of the oven. Really nice. A lot of people do like them. I like my pigs and blanket. A lot of people don't eat pork. A lot of people like it. So it's all up to you guys, whatever you would like. Alright, so what we're gonna simply do, we're doing pigs and blankets, simple. Some people do intend to rub a little bit of, some people use a little bit of onion in it, some people use a little bit of mustard. But basically what we're gonna do, we're just gonna simple put a little bit of onion in it, just like this, because onion is sweet, and you know what I mean, we don't wanna do too much things with sweet. But you know, when it turns to Christmas, you have to do a little bit things different, guys. To be honest, Christmas is all about the family come together and enjoy yourselves. As you can see, I'm just simply walk across with a teaspoon of honey. Not too much because we don't want it to be sweet. So I just simply just crossing a little bit on it, just like this. Lovely. So we're gonna put it in the oven for a nice good 20 to 25 minutes inside of the oven. As you can see, looking so lovely and nice. So guys, enjoy it. It's Christmas idea, Christmas tips, pigs and blanket every year. Chef Ricardo normally show you how to do your pigs and blanket. You can use smoked bacon, which is really nice for your mini sausages like this. So guys, enjoy it and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments if you think it's a nice idea for Christmas, and leave your comments. Thank you so much. So we're gonna put them in the oven now for 20 to 25 minutes. Gas mark 6 or 7. If you're using a different kind of oven, 175 is good for 15 to 25 minutes. Alright? Enjoy it. Nice and lovely. I just take them from the oven, guys. As you can see, still frying, looking lovely and nice. As you can see, the way they're looking so beautiful. Look at that, just beautiful and nice, guys. 30 minutes inside of the oven and a gas mark 7 or 8 is really good. A different kind of oven at 165 is good for that same temperature, guys. It's just wonderful and nice. pigs and blanket or sausages and bacon wrap. Enjoy it and subscribe to the channel. Christmas tips, Christmas idea, guys. Christmas is in the air. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel and leave your comments for this Christmas recipe. Enjoy it, guys. Bye bye. Just share them out, as you can see. Looking so lovely and nice and so beautiful. So enjoy the recipe and leave your comments. Look at that. Just beautiful. A little bit dark because of the honey, but it's beautiful and nice. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. We got a lot more recipe like this coming up for you for this Christmas idea and Christmas tips. See you next time. Bye bye.